Hi, in front of me is Google Pixel 5 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on auto rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now find Auto Rotate icon and tap on it. Auto rotation is now turned on, but you can always go into Device Settings, choose Display, click on Advanced and turn on Auto Rotation by clicking on the switcher next to Auto Rotate screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is turned on, but you can always just check it out by simply turning your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!